Hey there. So in this video, I want to show you how to get more content. So right now, this is like I'm still putting this course together. Who knows how big this particular course can get? I could keep adding more as I go along. Um, but I also publish a lot of videos on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to get there and how to keep in touch and how to kind of request new things from me. So I'm going to go ahead and open Google, right? And what I want you to type is Jellyman, right? Education, right? And the reason it's called Jellyman is it's from Finding Nemo. And a friend of mine called me this one day, and it's that little squirt kind of. Oh no, Jellyman is Nemo, but it's this little turtle saying Jellyman, and then it kind of just stuck, right? And then this one right here, Jellyman YouTube. Go ahead and click that, right? And this is my channel, right? And please don't forget to hit subscribe. That way you can get alerts on when I release a new video. So I try and do it like once a day or once every few days, something new for you to kind of keep increasing your skills, right? And there's two main playlists that I have, right? And the playlist, actually, let me go playlist, is Excel and Tableau. So I started doing Excel earlier this year. I think first 2 weeks of this year I did, what is this, 73 Excel videos, right? And I've been doing some Tableau training videos in here. So if you go ahead and, how do I just open this one? Ah, here we go, view playlist, right? You'll see that there is a lot of stuff in here. But the way I've designed the YouTube one compared to Udemy is like course based, whereas in let me just turn this down. Whereas in Udemy, it's like, hey, did you know this? Or hey, here's a new thing you do. And they're all independent videos. That way, if like, you don't feel like devoting a few hours of your day to a course, you can just be like, I'm gonna learn 2 minutes here, 3 minutes there. And this is basically all the Tableau stuff you'll get, and you'll get a lot more. This private stuff is stuff that's set to be released, right? It is not released yet, so that's coming soon, but there is a lot in here and I'm adding to it all the time. I do get a lot of requests, so if you want to request from me, simply either, I think the easiest way is if you go to any of the videos, right, and then just leave a comment here, and I read all the comments, right? Oops. And I read all the comments, and then if you want to request, oh Jed, can you teach this? I can do that as well, right? Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get alerts when I release new stuff. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.